Today we'll try to complete this part. It will come. Yes. Yes, I'm waiting for 1 minute. Do not worry. Now everything. See, everything is clear. Board is clear, voice is clear. Now let us start. Yes. Now we start exercise 2.3. Please mute the microphone now. First question. Exercise 2.3. Write down the pair of integers. Write down the pair of integer whose sum is -3. Sum means addition. And pair means 2. So find two integer whose sum means addition is -3. So we can take the integer, take -8 and +5. Take 8 and -8 and +5. Take pair of two integer, pair means two integer, whose sum is -3. So we have taken -8 and 5. Now let us see what is -8 plus 5. -8 plus 5, sum of integer, when we add them, what is sign of 8 minus? What is sign of 5 plus? So minus and plus, they have opposite signs, so I have to subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Which number is bigger? Minus. So -3. Yes. Yes. Mute the microphone. See, pair of integer means you have to take two integer. You can take any two integer. I have taken -8 and 5. I have taken -8 and 5. You can take any two integer. Pair means two integer. I have taken -8 and 5. When we add -8 and 5, we get -3. B. Difference is -7. Difference is -7. Right. Difference is -7. Difference means subtraction. See here. Mute the microphone, others. Pair means pair means 2. So find two integer whose sum is -3. Whose sum is -3. So I can take the integer as -8 and 5. So when we add sum means add. Sum means addition. So -8 plus 5. -8. Yes. -8 plus 5. So 8 is having minus sign, 5 is having plus sign, opposite sign, minus plus. Underline. Subtract 8 minus 5 is 3. Which number is bigger? 8. So it is -3. So the integers are -8 and 5. Now next is difference. Difference means subtraction. So find two integer whose subtraction gives you -7. Whose subtraction give you -7. So I can take -8 and -8 plus 5. Integers are -8 and 5. No, I have to take. So take 3. Take 3 and 10. Take 3 and 10. I will take. Yes. That is what. See, you are not listening what I am saying. Simple language I am using. Pair means 2. Find two integer. So I have taken -8 and 5. Now the condition is given. When you add both the integers, sum means addition. When you add both the integer, the answer must be -3. So I have taken -8 and 5. When we add -8 and 5, we get minus 3. So the integers are minus 8 and 5. Now next is difference. Difference means subtraction. Is minus 7. Yes. Yes. So now take 3 and 10. Now 3 minus 10. What is sign of 3? Plus. What is sign of 10? Minus. So plus minus opposite sign, you have to subtract. 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So answer is 3 and 10. Yes, mute the microphone. So take 3 and mute the microphone. Take 3 and 10. So you can take any number. I have taken minus 8 and 5. You can take any number. You can take minus 7 and 4 also. You can take any number. Yes, no problem. You can take any number. Now B we have completed. Difference is minus 7. Now C, it is very much clear. Yes, it is very much clear. Difference means subtraction. So minus, whose difference is minus 7. So find two integers. I can take 3 and minus 10. 3 and 10. 3 and 10. When we subtract, difference means minus. 3 minus 10. What is sign of 3? Plus. What is sign of 10? Minus. Plus minus opposite sign you have to subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7. Which number is bigger? 10. What is sign of that? Minus. So it is minus. Minus 3 minus 9 you cannot take, because you can take 2 and 9. You can take 2 and 9. 2 minus 9 will be minus 7. Yes, even if you take 2 and 9, you will get the same answer, minus 7. No. So first one you can take minus 7 and 4. You can take minus 9. You can take minus 9 and 4. Minus 9, yes, you can take minus 9 and 6 for first one. Yes. See, difference is minus 7. So find two integers whose difference is minus 7. So I have taken the integer 3 and 10. Now difference means minus. So 3 minus 10, what is sign of 3? Plus. What is sign of 10? See here, you can take, we want minus 7, difference is minus 7. So I have done 3 minus 10 because we want minus 7, no. We want minus 7, that is why. See, I want answer minus 7, so I have taken 3 minus 10. If you take, if you take 10 minus 3, answer will be plus 7. If you take 10 minus 3, answer will be plus 7. We want answer minus 7. Yes. Today I will check it. So difference is 2. Now find two integers whose difference is 2. Find two integers whose difference is 2. No. You have to. You have to. Yes, 3 minus. You can take 3 and 1. You can take 3 and 1. Now difference means minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is the answer. You can take 5 and 3. You can take 5 and 3 also. Is it clear? Difference is minus 2. So find two integers. Yes. See, please, if you understand, if you have understood, you remain silent. Let other understand. If you have understand, you please remain silent. No need to speak that I have understood, so that others can understand. I have to explain to them also. Difference is 2. Difference means subtraction. So I can take 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. You can take 5 and 3 also. 5 minus 3 is 2. You can take 6 and 4 also. 6 minus 4 is 2. So any two integer you can take. But that condition is difference is 2. That condition should not be violated. That condition should be satisfied. That whichever two integer you are taking, their difference must give you 2. Clear? Now next D is sum is 4. D is sum is 4. D part sum is 4. Sum means addition. Sum is 4. How you can take 5 and 1? Now it is sum. No, sum means you have to add. Yes, 3 and 1. You can take 1 and 3. You can take 3 and 1. Yes, you can take 2 and 2. Yes, 2 and 2 also you can take. Yes, you can take 2 and 2 also, no problem. You can take 1 and 3 also. Because it is sum. Sum means addition. You have to add. Difference means sub. Yes, you can take any number, but that condition must be satisfied. No, that its sum must be give you 4. If that condition is not. Yes. So now let take 1 and 3. Take 1 and 3 integers. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. Mute the microphone. So integers are. Yes. You can take 2 and 2 also, no problem. 3 plus 1 also, yes. Yes, you can take, you can take 5 and minus 1 also. What is 5 and minus 1? When you add, you will get plus 4. Yes. Yes. No, how it is okay? 10, how you will write minus? Because it is, no, it is sum, no. Now you can take, now let us start second. A submarine was 2500 meter below sea level. Second question. Second question I am writing. A submarine was. See, all of you are having this PDF I had sent you. All of you are having this. Right. Right. A submarine. Right. A submarine was 2000. Right. No problem. Even if you are textbook right. A submarine was 2500 meter. Yes, below sea level. A submarine was 2500 meter below sea level. If it descends, descends means goes down. Descends means if it descends 1100 meter, wait, if it descends 1100 meter, what is its new position? What is its new position? What is its new position? Wait, let me explain. A submarine was 2,500 meter below sea level. If it descends means goes down. Descends means goes down. What is its new position? Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Hmm. Yes, right. A submarine was 2,500. A submarine was 2,500 meter below sea level. If it descends 1,100 meter, what is its new position? So this, see here, this question I am explaining. Now suppose this is C. This is my C. This no, this I am see. This I am explaining. Afterward I will tell you. Now, 1100 meter. 1,000. Yes, yes. I am explaining. I am explaining. I am explaining this. I am going to give you homework. So I am explaining this. A submarine was 2,500 meter below sea level. This is sea level, and then this is 2,500 meter. No. This is my 2,500 meter. This is wait. This is 2,500 meter below sea level. Again it descends. Descends means again it goes down to 1,100 meter. Again it goes down. Descent means goes down to 1,100 meter. What is its new position? What is its new position? So yes. So this is the new position. No. So you have to add these two. Draw this, and this I am going to give homework. You have to. Yes, write the answer. Yes. Draw this if you want. Yes. Draw this. Yes, mute the microphone. Ask the doubt. Yes. You can write directly answer, no problem. I had explained this with the help of this diagram so that everybody should understand. If you have understand, you can directly write down the answer. Yes. So this second part, writing solution is homework. I had explained you the diagram. Yes, it is visible. You draw this diagram and then write down the answer. Third one. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. Board is very much clear. Right. Third one you mark important because this type of problems are important. It is very much clear, right? The sum of two integer. The sum of two integer. The sum of two integer. This is important. Is minus 45. The sum of two integer is minus 45. If one of them is minus 23, if one of them is minus 23, find the other integer. Find the other integer. Find the other integer. Code is clear, right? The sum of two integers is minus 45. These problems are important. Yes, these problems is important. Why I said important? Because this type of question they ask in the scholarship examination. This type of question, IMPU, right? Because this type of question they ask in the scholarship. Yes. Board is very much clear. How you saying, blood? Yes, it is very much clear. No, it is very much clear. I am able to see that in the mobile also. So right. The sum of two integers is minus 45. If one of them is minus 23, find the other. Now this is very important. This is very important problem we have to understand. Sum of two integers, we write this in the box. Wait. We take two integers. Sum means we write plus. Sum means we write plus. And this is my first integer. This is my first integer. And this is my second integer. Yes, right. First integer, second integer. Sum means plus. Their sum is minus 45. So we write equal to minus 45. The sum of two integers is minus 45. Sum means plus. See, my dear, in my mobile as well as in my laptop, it is very much clear. Now, yes, I want everybody to mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. It is enough. All of you are not in the discipline. Why you are not maintaining the discipline? That is the first question I want to ask all of you. Is this a... No, see my dear, you are saying that it is... See, yes, see, please, what I am telling you, if you say that it is not clear, without verifying it, I will not give the answer. I verify that it is clear and then I give the reply. So please, you see the adjustment of your phone, because if it is visible to everybody, how we can talk about one student that it is not visible? And because, yes, I don't want. Now let us continue. The sum of two integers is minus 45. Sum means plus. I want complete silence and discipline. The sum of two integers is minus 45. If one of the integer is minus 43, is minus 23. Suppose this integer is minus 40. This integer is minus 23. Find the other integer. So this we have to find. This integer, first integer, one of the integer, or you can take this as minus 23, no problem. If one of this, so this we have to find, Wait, right. This we have to find. Yes. Because it is given, no, you are not reading the question. If one of the integer is minus 23, minus 23, find the other integer. So we write, let other integer, right, minus 45. Let other integer be, right, let other integer be x. I have put the question mark. Question mark. Let other integer be x. Other integer be x. Let other integer, in box I want to find that integer. So that integer I had taken as x. X, that, yes, that value, that other integer we have to find. Yes, now let us write. So other integer be x. So we write x plus minus 23 is equal to minus 45. Now we write the sum of two integer, let other integer be x. The sum of two integer, let other integer be x. Whichever integer we have to find, that I have considered as x. So x plus minus 23 is minus, right, so x plus minus 23 is minus 45. Wait. So x, now, wait, now see here, we are taking this, will you listen to me? So x plus minus 23 is minus 45. This minus 23, now remember this. Now this is the most important part of mathematics which I am going to tell you. See here, this is my left hand side. This is my left hand side. Before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. So this you have to remember, there are two sides. This is my left side and this is my right side. Left side, right side. Before equal to, it is left side. After equal to, it is right side. Now whenever, yes, underline that. Please, every time don't ask me that. You do whatever you want. Before equal to, it is left side. After equal to, it is right side. Now this you remember, whenever we change the side of any number, whenever we change the side, means the number we take on the left side to right side, wait, whenever we change the side of any number, its sign changes. Whenever you change the side of the number, its sign changes. Now this minus 3 is on left. I am taking it on the right, so it minus 23 will become plus 23. So this is minus 45, then minus 23 I am taking on right side, it becomes plus 23. Minus 45 is on my right side. I am taking minus 23 which is on the left side. Before equal to, it is my left. After equal to, right. So whenever we change the side of the number, its sign changes. Minus 23 we are taking on right, it becomes plus 23. Now we see the number. What is sign of 40? What is sign of 45? Minus. What is sign of 23? Plus. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. So I have to subtract. I have to subtract bigger number minus smaller number. 45 minus 23 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 2 minus 22. So x is minus 22. So we write other integer is minus 22. Other integer, minus 45 plus 23 is minus 22. So this minus 23, when we take on the right side, it becomes plus 23. This is the important part of maths in this. So other integer. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Sum of two integer. Sum of two integer is minus 45 given. So the first integer plus second integer is minus 45. Then it is given one of the integer. So one of the integer, second integer I have taken minus 23. Find the other integer. First integer you have to find, that I have considered x. So x plus minus 23 is equal to minus 45. Now this minus 23 is on the left side. I am taking on the right side, it becomes plus 23. So minus 45 plus 23, opposite sign we have to subtract. 45 minus 23 is 22. Take the sign of bigger number 45. What is sign? Minus. So I will write minus 23. Yes. So the answer is minus 22. So this problem is important, and the same problem you will find in 7th standard also. Now only I am telling you. Next year, minus 45 plus 23 is minus 22. This type of problem you will find in standard 7th also. Standard 7th, the same type of problem. Sum of two integer is this, one of the integer is this, find the other integer. Same type of problem you are going to study in standard 7th also. Yes. So this type of problems, why I said important, because yes. Which part? Right. Sum of two integer is minus 45. One of the integer is minus 23. Find the other integer. Other integer is minus 22. Other integer is minus 22. Other integer is, yes, because yes, because we want to find wait, that I will decide. No, why worry? At least one I have to solve, then remaining remaining two. Today at the end I am going to give a surprise question list. Why worry? Fourth. Yes, now mute the microphone. Fourth, verify. Fourth is verify. Verify means check. Verify a minus minus b. A minus minus b is equal to a plus b. Verify a minus minus b is equal to a plus b. So this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. Verify means you find both the value and see whether both the values. Now a, if a is 7, b is 9. Wait. A, it is very, now it is clear. Right. Array, mute the microphone. A7, no, b is equal to minus 9. B is equal to minus 9. It is given in the question. It is given, no. Fourth, verify this condition. A minus minus b is equal to a plus b. In that a part, where a plus minus b, a minus minus b is equal to a plus b. This question is given. This is given in the question. We have to verify this. So now I will consider left hand side. This is my left hand side, LHS. This is my left hand side, a minus minus b. And we put the value. What is a? 7. minus B. Yes, what is B? What is B? Tell me. Minus of minus 9. No, minus of minus 9. So this is 7 minus, what is minus of minus 9? Minus plus. So minus means, see, minus means additive inverse. Minus means additive inverse. And what is additive? What is B is minus 9. So minus, what is additive inverse of minus 9? So minus of minus 9 is plus 9. 7 minus 9, sign of this is plus, this is minus, plus minus, you have to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. So sign is minus 2. So my left hand side is minus 2. Left hand side is minus 2. Yes. Because B is minus 9, so again I will put the bracket. Minus of minus 9. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Now I will find this right hand side, A plus B. I will find right hand side A plus B, and then we check whether left hand side is same as right hand side. Left hand side value is minus 2. Left hand side, circle. Left hand side value is minus 2. Now find right hand side value A plus B. What is my right hand side? A plus B. Right hand side is A plus B. So now we consider RHS. RHS means right hand side. Right hand side is A plus B. What is A? A is 7 plus B. B is minus 9. Wait. 7 plus minus 9. What is sign of 7? Plus. What is sign of 9? Minus. Opposite sign. You have to subtract. 9 minus 7, 2. And take the sign of bigger number, minus. So RHS is also minus 2. Right hand side is minus 2. So left hand side is minus 2. So left hand side is equal to, right hand side is equal to minus 2. So it is verified. We write it is minus 9. No, bracket is there. Bracket minus 9. Bracket minus 9. Bracket minus 9. Bracket minus 9. Not it is 91. It is bracket minus 9. So right hand side value and left hand side value both are minus 2. And therefore it is verified. It is asked verify. Verify whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right. Verify whether, verify whether, notes B and C will be homework only, that I am going to give. LHS means left hand side. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. So this is my left hand side, A minus B, and right hand side is A plus B. You have to put the value of A and B, and because it is because B is minus 9, no, B is minus 9, so minus 9, this minus sign is there, so I have taken this B as minus 9 in the bracket. So that will see. Yes, that I am going to tell you. Now verify. Now B and C. B is A is 50 and B is 30. Yes, B and C, yes, no, A is minus 10, A is minus 10 and A is minus 10 and A is minus 10 and B is minus 6. A is minus 10, B is minus 6. Both are homework. C, A is minus 10, B is. So verify this. Yes. So verify means you have to consider left hand side and you have to consider right hand side. Yes. Wait. Now let us do fifth one. So B and C are homework. B and C, they are homework. So you have to verify means you have to consider left hand side, find that value of left hand side, you have to find the value of right hand side, and then you have to see whether left hand side and right hand side they are having same value. If left hand side and right hand side have same value, that means it is verified. It is verified. Now fifth one. Right. Find the value of integers. Find the value of integers. Find the value of integers such that find the value of there is no D. Find the value of the integer such that when minus 1 is subtracted, subtracted means you have to reduce. Minus 1 is subtracted from it. The result is means that result you have to find. So minus 1 you have to subtract from each. And find the number. Yes. Mute the microphone. You have to subtract minus 1 from each and get the resulting integer. So first it is given, the integer is given 35. Yes. The result is A. Wait. Why are you passing the comment? First A is 35. So you have to subtract 1 from it. Means we write 35. Yes, what do you write? 35. Subtract means, yes, what do you mean by subtract? It is 30. It is 35 given. Now subtract 35. Subtract means minus. Which number we want to subtract? Minus 1. So 35 minus 1. Yes. 35 minus 1. So what is 35 minus 1? Yes, just now we have seen. What is A minus B? Yes, just now we have seen. No, A minus B is A plus B. No. See here, just now we have to verify the result. No. This minus become plus. A minus B is A plus B. Just now we have verified that in question number 4. A minus B, minus become plus. So minus of minus become plus. So whenever two minus sign are together, we write them plus. So whenever minus signs are together, I am talking about together, not separate. Whenever two minus signs are together, we write them minus as plus. Whenever they are separate, we don't write plus. So there they are together, minus are together. So this we write 35 plus 1 and the answer is 36. 36 is the answer. B is minus 17. Yes, B is minus 17. So from minus 17 we want to subtract, because you are not reading the question. From the given integer you have to subtract. Subtract means minus. Which integer you want to subtract? Minus 1. So we write 35 minus 35 minus minus 1. Minus minus they are together, so it becomes plus. So 35 plus 1, 36. Now next is minus 17. From minus 17 you have to subtract. Subtract means minus. Which integer? Minus 1. So minus 17 minus minus are together, so it becomes plus 1. Now 17 has minus sign, 1 has plus sign, opposite sign, so you have to subtract. 17 minus 1 is 16. Not 16, minus 16. Answer is minus 16. Is it clear? Answer is minus 16. Yes. Wait. Why you are talking? C minus 95 and D 0. D 0, both I am giving homework. Yes, because we want to subtract. We want to subtract. B1. Already it is given minus 17 in the question. Wait. Minus 17 is given in the question. So minus 17 we are writing. Now we want to subtract. Subtract means minus sign. Subtract means minus sign. Which integer we want to subtract? Minus 1. So minus 17 minus minus become plus 1. It is minus 16. CD I had given homework only, right? Minus 17 minus minus, subtract means minus. Because of this subtract word there is minus sign. Because of this subtract word there is minus sign. Which integer? Minus 1. So minus 17 minus minus 1, minus minus become plus. Minus minus. So minus minus. Minus minus, whenever minus minus are, yes, no break. Whenever minus minus are together, we write minus minus as plus. Whenever minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. So yes. So whenever you have to C and D are homework. Whenever two minus sign are together, minus minus sign are together, that minus minus become plus. Together means they are one after other. Minus minus they are together. So that is why minus minus become plus, because minus minus sign are together. Minus minus sign are together. So minus minus become plus. Now let us do 6 one. Yes. This you have to write. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. Yes. Right. 35 plus dash is wait 35. Yes, 35 plus dash equal to 0. You can write one below other. You can write minus. Not 35. Not 35. How 35 will come? Minus 35. See here. 35 35, wait. 35, we write minus 35. We write minus 35. Opposite number, yes. We have to write the additive inverse. Wait, what is additive inverse of 35? Minus 35. Additive inverse means you change the sign of that number. Additive inverse means change the sign of that number. If it is minus, you will write plus. If it is plus, you will write minus. So 35 plus, so additive inverse will be minus 35. Whenever any number is added to its additive inverse, it will give you additive identity 0. So plus and minus, yes, you can write B is minus 47 plus dash equal to 0. Yes, now minus 47. So what is additive inverse of minus 47? What is that sign? Minus. So it becomes plus 47. Plus 47. Minus 47, additive inverse will be plus 47. Then C part, dash plus minus 10 is equal to 0. Sorry, is equal to, no, not 10, is equal to minus 10 it is equal to, no, it is, wait, it is given minus 10. Yes, 0, because which number should be added to minus 10 so that you get the same number? Answer will be minus 0. 0 is added to minus 10, you get this. Yes, that is why 0, whenever we add any number to 0, you get the same number. So you are adding minus 10 to 0, you will get the same number minus 10. Then D part, 19 plus dash is equal to 19. 19 you have to add which number so that you will get 0. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes, no discussion. Yes, I don't want any discussion in the group because our period is going on. 19 plus 0 is equal to 19. Yes, mute the 19. Ask the doubt what you have drawn. Ask the doubt. Ask the doubt. Who want to ask the doubt? Ask Harshit. Now mute the microphone. Now E part. Yes. E part. That E part. Yes. Mute. E part. Dash minus 10 is equal to, no, is equal to, wait, not, is equal to plus 3. Dash minus 10 is equal to plus 3. Yes. You tell me what should be minus 10. Yes, because see, because here, because this minus become plus, so we write minus 7. Because minus 7 plus 10 is equal to plus 3. Minus 7 is the answer. Right. F. Minus 14, then minus dash is equal to minus 20. Now minus 14, you will add which number so that you get, yes, so that you get minus 20. Minus 14 we add 6, we write 6. So minus 14 minus 6 minus 20. Because minus 14 minus 6, because same sign you have to add. Minus minus we add, plus plus we add. So minus 14 minus 6, same sign. So 14 plus 6 is 20, and minus minus I will take common sign minus. So it should be plus 6. Yes, G, which one? Minus 12 plus dash, minus 12 plus dash is equal to 8. Minus 12, you will add which number, you will get plus 8. No, we write plus 20. Plus 20, not 4. What is sign of 12? Minus. What is sign of 20? Plus. Minus and plus opposite sign, so you have to subtract. 20 minus 12 is 8. Which number is bigger? 20. What is sign of that? Plus. So it is plus 8. So answer is plus 20. Because minus 12, you will add which number? You will get plus 8. Minus 12 and plus 20. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. So we have to subtract. 20 minus 12 is 8. Which number is bigger? 20. What is sign of that? Plus. So it is plus 8. So answer is plus 20. Yes. H minus 14 plus minus 1 is equal to, minus 14 plus minus 1 is equal to, yes. See here, what is sign of 14? Minus. What is sign of 1? Minus. Minus, same sign, so you have to add. 14 plus 1 is 15. Answer is minus 15. Answer is minus 15, not minus 13. Minus 15. 14 plus 1, 15. Because minus 14, it has minus sign. 1 has minus sign. Whenever you have minus sign, you have to add the number. 14 plus 1 is 15, and take the common sign. Minus as minus. Take the common sign. Minus as minus. Take the common sign as minus as minus. Not 5 minutes. We'll go slowly. Yes, right. Now we'll do 7th. Yes, right. Yes. Yes, don't present anything, don't discuss anything, because everybody, see everybody has to understand. So you should not disturb others. Stop presenting. Stop presenting. Now let us do 7th. Yes. Please do not present. Mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Because okay. So now, yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. You have to. Yes. No, this side. Let other. Now 7th. We are going slow only. So no need of break. 7th. Subtract. See. Subtract See, this solving the problem is just like eating the food. You are eating the problem. Yes. How we eat the food and become healthy, the same way, if because when you get the correct answer, you feel joy, you feel happiness. Now first, yes, mute the microphone. Subtract 17 from minus 110. 17 from minus 110. Subtract means minus. 17 from minus 110. So this is important. We want to subtract 17, but from which number? Minus 110. Yes. So see here, in this type of question, whichever number is after from, that we write first. So from minus 110, so I will write minus 110 first. Whichever number is after from, that number we write first. So minus 110 from this number, we want to subtract. Subtract means minus. Which number? 17. So minus 110 minus 17. Yes, simplify. Yes, because from, see, from, after from, whichever number is there, that is my bigger number. Right. Yes. Minus 110 from this number, we want to subtract. Subtract means minus. Which number? 17. So minus 110 minus 17, minus sign. You have to add the number and take the common sign minus. Minus. 110 plus 17, 127. 127 is the answer. Minus 127 is the answer. Minus 127 is the answer. Then B, minus 28 from, see, whichever number is written after from, that number we write first. From minus 82. Minus 28 from minus 82. So which, A. Subtract. You understand? Subtract means minus. So you want to subtract 17. See here, you want to subtract 17 from minus 110. So from minus 110 means from this number. So that number I will write first. Subtract means minus. Which number? 17. Minus 127. No, minus 110, minus 17. Minus sign. Whenever you have minus, you have to add the number and take the common sign minus. Now subtract minus 28 from minus 82. So we write minus 82 first. The number which is after from, that we write first. So minus 82. Now we want to subtract. Subtract means minus sign. Which number? Minus 28. Which we want to subtract. From this number minus 82, we want to subtract. Subtract means we write minus. Which number? Minus 28. So we write minus 28. So minus 82. Just now I have told you, whenever minus sign are together, that minus sign together become plus sign. So plus 28. Now what is sign of minus 82? Minus. What is sign of plus 28? Plus. So minus and plus, they have opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract the number and take the sign of bigger number. So 82 minus 28. Because minus sign are together. Whenever no, not 122. Minus sign are together, it becomes plus. So because minus sign are together, so I will write plus. So 12 minus 8 is 4. We have to subtract the number. And then 1 is carried. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 54. And which number is bigger? Minus 82. So answer is minus 54. Answer is minus 54. Whenever they have opposite. Yes. Because minus 82 plus 28, what is sign of minus 82? Minus. What is sign of plus 28? Plus. So whenever you have opposite sign, plus minus. Yes. Whenever they have V sum I am explaining, no, you try to understand. See here. Wait. Minus 28, minus 28. Then whenever minus sign are together, minus become plus. So minus 82 plus 28. What is sign of 82? Minus. What is sign of 28? Plus. Whenever they have opposite sign, minus plus, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 82 minus 28 is 54. What is sign of bigger number? Minus. So I will write minus 54. We have done already this type of problem earlier, subtraction. So you have to be cautious. Unless and until you are fully concentrative, unless and until you are fully cautious, fully concentrative. Yes. Nobody will tell anybody's name. Now write third. Subtract minus 256. C part. Minus 256. Minus 256 from 375. Minus 256. No. Minus 256 from 375. From 375. So from 375 I will write 375 plus. Then you want to subtract. Subtract means minus sign. Which number? Minus 256. Minus 256 we write in the bracket. So this becomes 375. And this I had explained you, whenever minus sign are together, minus become plus. Minus sign become plus whenever they are together. Minus are together. So 5 plus 6, 11. 7 plus 5, 12, plus 1, 13, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 631 is the answer. 631 is the answer. 631 is the answer. Now D from minus 116. Wait, 481 wait, 481 from 429. 481, subtract 481 from 429. Yes, please do not quarrel. Yes, see, I will remove both of you. If you start quarreling in the group, I will remove both of the students, because I do not want anything to be discussed apart from, because you have to add the number, no? 375 plus 256, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 is carried, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 is carried, 13, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 is carried, 631. Now subtract 481 from 429. Subtract 481 from 429. Start solving. Subtract 481 from 429. So whichever number is written after from, that number we write first. Whichever number is written after from, that number we write first. So it is 429. So we write first 429. So we write 429. Then subtract means minus. Which number? 481. So we write 481. So 429 minus 481. What is sign of 4? What is sign of 429? Plus. What is sign of 481? Minus. So plus and minus opposite sign. So you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 481 minus 429. You have to subtract 481 and 429. You have to subtract 11 minus 9, 2. Then 7 minus 2, 5. So it is 52. Which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? 481. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 52. Answer is minus 52. Yes, right. Answer is minus 52. Yes, mute the microphone. Answer is minus 52. Answer is minus 52. Now let us start 8. 8 first. 8 first. From 295. From 295 subtract minus 147. Subtract minus 147. From 295 subtract minus 147. Do it. From 295, so we write 295. Subtract means minus. Which number? Minus 147. From 295, subtract means minus sign. Minus sign is there because it is subtract. Which number? Minus 147. And this I had explained. This I had explained you. Whenever minus minus sign are together, minus minus become plus. 147. 295. It is very much clear, right? 295 plus 147. Right. 295 plus 147. Add the number. Add the number. 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. Plus 1 14. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 4. 442 is the answer. 295 plus 147. This you have to remember. Whenever minus minus sign are together, that because this I had explained. Whenever minus minus sign are together, that minus minus sign become plus. So 295 plus 147 is 442. Then next is from minus 116 subtract 61. From minus 116 subtract 61. Wait. From minus 116 subtract 61. Yes, I did not ask anybody whether it is clear or not. If somebody is telling board is not clear, I will verify. Because I have to listen to all the students. No, if somebody is saying board is not clear, that means I have to verify. Wait. Now second B part. From minus 116 B part. From minus 116 subtract minus 61. Subtract minus 61. From minus 116 subtract minus 61. So from means minus 116, subtract means minus sign will come. Which number we want to subtract? Minus 61. So we write minus 61 in the bracket. So this is minus 116. Minus minus sign are together. Whenever minus minus sign are together, minus minus become plus. So now we have two numbers. One is 116, other is 61. What is sign of 116? Minus. What is sign of 61? Plus. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 116 minus 61, we have to subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 11 minus 6 is 5. Answer is minus 55. Answer is minus 55. So 116 minus 61, 55. Which number is bigger? 116. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 55. Answer is minus 55. Then from minus 123, from minus 123, subtract 195. Subtract, 195. From minus 123, subtract 195. So minus 123, we subtract means minus 195. So whenever, now see here, whenever they have same sign, mute the microphone, whenever they have same sign minus minus, we have to add the number and take the common sign minus. 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 318 is the answer. Minus 318 is the answer. From minus 123. Yes, now you write surprise test question. Because minus minus sign, whenever there is minus minus sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign minus. Whenever minus minus are together, minus minus become plus. Here minus minus same sign. Whenever we have same sign, we have to add the numbers. Yes, mute the microphone. Who is creating the disturbance? Now take surprise. Yes, classwork only you have to do. So, and see, these questions are challenging questions. So from this question if you are able to solve, means you have understood fully this chapter. Because we want to verify how much you are following. So write surprise. Surprise question. Surprise questions. Surprise questions. Last. Surprise questions. And this you have to solve today. Yes. Wait, we'll see. We write subtract minus 80, subtract minus 67 from minus 124. Then second, subtract 48 from minus 122. Then third, subtract minus 72 from 156. This side is over. I can write the question. No. I want to write this side also. No. This side I want to write. This side. Yes. This side we want to write. And see here, for mock test you do not worry. Simple question will be there. Only you have to solve that. So for mock test, you study that number system. That tomorrow I will tell you after 10:30. When our exam will get over, entire paper we will discuss. Yes, fine. I am talking about maths exam. I am maths teacher, so I will talk about maths. Right. Find the sum of Find the sum of, wait, find the sum of minus 58, comma, 38, 32, comma, minus 76. Find the sum of these three numbers. Fifth, find the sum means you have to add all the three numbers. Find, yes, simple question will be there. Which number is on the right? Which number is bigger number? Which number is smallest number? Which number is greatest number? Such type of question. Natural number, whole number. Find the sum of, yes. Minus 27. No, nobody is allowed to leave. Minus 74. How you are allowed to leave? And 48. Then sixth one. Find the sum of. Find the sum of means you have to add the numbers. Find the sum of yes. 114. Yes. 114, comma, minus 56. Find the sum of these two numbers. So sixth problem I am giving. Yes. These are this much only. And see, before we start, let me explain. Tomorrow's mock test. These are homework. These are homework problems. You have to solve and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number I had given you already. Again I am giving you because some of you. So again I am writing that number. You send me the solution of this in the personal WhatsApp number. This is number 9930732714. This is the number. Yes. In this, you send me the solution of this homework. Yes. So tomorrow's mock test, you do not worry. Bye and all the best for tomorrow's mock test. Yes. Yes. All the best for tomorrow's mock test. Yes, tomorrow's mock test. All the best. All the best for tomorrow's mock test. And I want everybody's faces should be smiling after that test. Yes. All the best. Bye. Yes, from only that number system, small question, natural number, whole number, then which number is easy things will come, do not worry. Greatest number, smallest number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, such type of natural number, whole number, small question. Yes, 5 questions will come. Bye everybody. All the best.